In this video, you'll learn how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Binance. By the end of this guide, you will be familiar with the trading process on this platform, allowing you to make informed transactions. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you have not yet signed in, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, proceed to the trade or markets section. This area displays various cryptocurrency pairs available for trading. After accessing the trading interface, you will see a variety of cryptocurrency pairs listed. Select the pair you want to trade, for example, Bitcoin to USDT. Take a moment to review the price charts and the order book, which provides insight into current market activity. Ensure that you have sufficient balance in your account to execute the trade you intend to make. Familiarizing yourself with the trading interface is essential as it prepares you for the next steps. To place a buy or sell order, look for the options labeled buy or sell on the trading interface. Choose the option that aligns with your trading goal. Next, select the type of order you wish to use, either a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify your desired purchase or sale price. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Carefully review all order details, including the total cost and fees associated with the transaction. Once you've verified the information, submit the order securely by clicking the appropriate button. After placing your order, it is important to manage the trade results effectively. Navigate to your order history to check the execution details of your recent trades. Review your wallet balances to confirm that the transaction has been completed successfully. At this point, decide whether to hold your cryptocurrency for a longer period or to trade again based on market conditions. Continuously monitor market trends as they can influence your trading decisions. Additionally, it is advisable to save records of your trades for future reference and analysis. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.